10 truths to rebuild your life. Truth 1. No one is coming to save you. At some point in life, you must accept this truth. No mentor, no friend, no miracle will suddenly change everything. When you realize that you are responsible for your life, real growth begins. Taking responsibility gives you power, not pressure. Truth 2. Your past does not define your future. Your mistakes, failures, and losses are not life sentences. They are lessons, not identities. The moment you stop introducing yourself by your past, you create space for a new version of yourself to rise. Truth 3. Comfort is the enemy of change. If your life is not changing, it is because you are too comfortable. Growth feels uncomfortable, uncertain, and sometimes painful. Every new level of life demands a new level of discipline. Comfort delays success. Truth 4. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Waiting to feel motivated is a trap. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline builds results. Small actions done daily will always beat big plans done once. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Truth 5. You must outgrow some people. Not everyone who started with you will grow with you. Some relationships hold you back without you realizing it. Outgrowing people is not betrayal. It is self-respect and evolution. Truth 6. Time will pass whether you act or not. 1 year from now will arrive no matter what you do today. The question is, will you be proud of how you used this time? Delaying action is a silent decision to stay the same. Start now, even if you feel unprepared. Truth 7. Your habits shape your identity. Your life is not built by goals, it is built by habits. What you do every day slowly becomes who you are. Change your habits, and your life will follow. Success is nothing more than the result of daily choices. Truth 8. Fear never disappears. You move despite it. Fear does not mean stop. Fear means you are stepping into something meaningful. Waiting for fear to disappear will keep you stuck forever. Courage is acting while fear is still present. Truth 9. Growth requires sacrifice. You cannot have a new life with old priorities. Late nights, distractions, excuses, something must go. Every successful transformation costs comfort, time, or ego. Sacrifice today builds freedom tomorrow. Truth 10. You can restart at any moment. There is no fixed age to begin again. You do not need permission, perfect timing, or approval. The decision to change is enough to start. The moment you choose differently, your new life begins. Reality check. Change starts with brutal honesty. If your life is not where you want it to be, you must be honest about your choices. Blaming luck, people, or circumstances delays progress. Honesty hurts first, but it heals permanently. Mindset shift. You don't need confidence to start. Most people wait to feel confident before taking action. But confidence is built after action, not before it. You start scared, unsure, and imperfect, and confidence follows through repetition. Daily rule. Progress matters more than perfection. Trying to be perfect often leads to doing nothing. Small progress every day beats perfect plans that never start. Consistency creates momentum, and momentum changes lives. Done is always better than perfect. Inner truth. Your self-talk is shaping your future. The way you speak to yourself becomes your reality. If you constantly doubt yourself, you train your mind to quit. Change your inner voice from critic to coach. Your mind listens to what you repeat. Silent power. Focus is a super skill. In a world full of distractions, focus is rare and powerful. What you focus on grows. Protect your attention like your future depends on it, because it does.